So I'm very sure you've been seeing all those designs on Instagram, Dribble, how they present their designs and everything, how it looks really rich and wonderful and sweet and colorful, you know. So today I'm teaching you how to present your designs in Figma. Let's check this out, let's dive in. Hey guys, so now we're back in Figma. So the first thing you want to do is create your artboard, the background for your designs. So you could, depends on where you want to post on, Twitter posts, headers, you know, Facebook, Instagram posts. So we want to post on Dribble here. So Dribble shots. So the thing that I like to do is I try to make it look more crispy and stuff. So I would multiply the dimensions by 2. Yeah. The next step is bring your designs to the artboard. Just move them inside. Exactly. And to the middle. Aha. Now for the background color, the trick is this. So I pick the major colors, the primary colors on the design. Then I change the L value to in between the range of 84 and 92. So let's pick 90. Exactly. So for more spice, what I do is I move this closer, then create a rectangle. Not so big. Exactly. Middle. Send it to the back. Then I can also send this one to behind. Yep. Then I layer blur 74. Okay. 74. Then we'll put this and this over to give the illusion that is on top of this. Maybe I should have just a little bit. Exactly. And there you have it. If you want to add those rounded corners, you could do this. Those rounded corners, I like to use 12 or maybe 20, depends on what you want. And there you have it. Dribble shot. Easy. So I hope with this video you've learned how to properly present your designs and, you know, close your project faster. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you very much.